Shiba Inu's CEO outlined what will occur in the next 48 hours. Today's Shiba Inu news. The U.S. Federal Reserve raised interest rates by an additional 75 basis points on Thursday, which caused the cryptocurrency market to decline. Although Bitcoin experienced mild decreases, top performers like Dogecoin and Shiba Inu saw losses. While Polygon and Uniswap advanced, Bitcoin remained above its most recent $20,000 support level. This video will discuss what the CEO of Shiba Inu indicated will occur in the next 48 hours. Today's Shiba Inu news. Welcome to Dr. Crypto, your daily serving of Shiba. This is the spot for you if you're curious about anything related to Shiba. If you want to keep informed about all the latest news forecasts and stay ahead of the curve in the crypto industry, subscribe. To get more SHIB news, be sure to click the like button. With the exception of a few stablecoins and alternative coins, most crypto tokens were trading down on September 28. Dogecoin was the biggest loss, dropping 7%, and was followed by Shiba Inu, which fell 4%. But Polygon had a 6% plus increase. The market capitalization of all cryptocurrencies fell more than 1% on the previous day, trading slightly lower at $1.01 trillion. The entire trade volume, however, increased by roughly 40% to $102 billion. In the latter days of August, Shiba Inu exhibited notable bullish vigor. Following the bullish trading idea from the previous week, the SHIB price exhibits a few signs of trend continuance. To determine the next step, key levels have been established. The price of Shiba Inu shocked the cryptocurrency world when the infamous meme coin appreciated by 55% in the last week of August. When SHIB traded around $0 and 1,090 cents last week, the bullish thesis said that a 20% rise would likely test the bearish liquidity levels near $0 and 1,350 cents. With a last-minute monthly high of $0 and 1,509 cents, the bulls amply confirmed the bullish trading hypothesis. Shiba Inu's auction price is at $0 and 1,189 cents because bears were hesitant to short the SHIB after it outperformed day traders' expectations. Since the new August high was reached, SHIB has fallen by 21%. Volume increased throughout the uptrend, which also witnessed a break of the relative strength index's oversold region. A little over the 8-day exponential moving average, the SHIB price is currently up for auction. This is the first time the moving average has been encountered since the bullish cross on August 27th, which sparked the further 30%. The RSI is still in the positive zone, indicating that the rise may continue. Taking into account these elements, the SHIB price may present a challenge to recently created short positions close to the monthly high at $0 and 1,509 cents. The market value would rise by 30% in the event of a rally from the current price. If the bears breach the $0.001040 liquidity zone, which is located under the 21-day sample moving average, the bullish thesis may be proven false. A break of the bottom might start a further slide toward $0.000970. The invalidation scenario would result in a 17% drop in Shiba Inu's price. ShibaPlay_, a Twitter user, released statistics from Etherscan on significant Shiba Inu meme currency transactions over the last 24 hours in many tweets. The biggest of them could fit at least 100 billion SHIBs. A total of 202,438,224,930 coins were in the biggest one. The unknown holder shifted 847.9 billion K9 coins in total. SHIBs involved in the whale alert 202,438,224,930 transfer. From these sequence of transactions, 100 billion SHIBs were transferred to the OKX exchange for sale. The 850 billion SHIB described before is comparable to $10,268,000. A few days before, Goxteen Media CEO and Bitcoin influencer David Goxteen declared that he will continue to stock up on Shiba Inus. He had an estimated 2 million meme coins in mind to acquire. No matter what the maximalists in both groups think of him for backing a competing coin, he reiterated his support for Shiba Inu and Dogecoin. Shib has decreased by 15% during the last few days, compared to its most recent local high of 0.0001415 USD. The price is fluctuating within a range of $0 and 11,203 cents. The most recent information on the debut of Shibarium has been given by Shiba Inu Layer 2 Builders Unification. Unification stated in June 2023 that the public beta testing of Shibarium might not be made public until the third quarter of this year or later. Shibarium was supposed to debut in the third quarter of year, but the Shiba Inu developers were unable to do so. As a result, the social media community actively pressed the team for information on the status of the Shibarium launch. Shidoshi Kazama, the main Shiba Inu developer, claimed that he frequently receives inquiries on the distribution of Shibarium. Kazama's reaction was vague, just stating that it will be revealed shortly. The Unification Foundation is diligently trying to deliver a product that is safe and compatible with eyesight. The Foundation stated in a blog post by Unification that while the question of the project's release date is something we hear and consider on a daily basis, it is far more crucial for us to collaborate with and support the team in order to ensure the most secure, usable vision and accompanying product possible. The official player's guide for Shiba Eternity was issued by Shiba Inu on November 3, 2022. The 1150-page manual was broken up into many sections. Shidoshi Kazama apologized to the community for the one-day delay and dropped hints on the future beta launch of Shibarium during the release. In advance of the beta release, he mentioned that Shibarium and the Shiba Eternity will both be promoted. Kazama also emphasized Shiba Eternity's most recent noteworthy successes, which included, among other things, the game's bug fixes and over 245,000 downloads for iOS and Android. He said that the game update would be made available later in the month. Shiba Eternity Lore NFT drop unopened. A special NFT drop will be included in the game. Prices for the artwork range from 0 to 1,000 euros. In addition, the Unification Foundation has declared that its collaboration with the Shibarium Group would continue to be a top priority outside initiative for the year. The team also stated that they will use all of their effort in order to successfully launch Shibarium. Unification highlighted some continuing work on the alpha version in advance of the public beta release. The internal alpha is still being improved every day to be ready to meet the demands and the sheer size of the audience waiting for it, the creators of Shibarium stated in an instructive post-release. The core team has been working hard and quickly on our advice as a result, and a public beta release is imminent. The moment is quickly approaching, and we're eager to support, create, and publish a public update on the product. There is less than 1 week until the U.S. midterm elections. The 435 members in the House and 35 of the 100 seats in the Senate are up for election this year. The stock market often performs better following the midterm elections. Given that there is still a strong link between Bitcoin and the major stock indices, some investors anticipate that cryptocurrency will also increase in value after November 8th's election. Since 1946, 17 out of 19 midterm elections have resulted in an improvement in the stock market's performance in the 6 months after the vote. Charles Schwab's research claims that this is mostly due of the uncertainty investors experience in the months before to election day. Maurizio Di Bartolomeo, chief strategy officer and co-founder at Leiden, claimed that when information becomes more certain, investors gain confidence and bid up the market. If history is any indication, we simply need to get it through next Tuesday and things should start looking up. You're going to pass the midterms, declared Timothy Holland, Chief Investment Officer of Orient Advisor Solutions, since seasonality is set to improve. Furthermore, according to Holland, you can expect a split government in Washington, D.C., and the market enjoys congestion. However, given that the stock market performance has already deviated dramatically from its historical averages, the S&P 500 is down 27% year to far, significantly worse than the index's typical performance in past midterm election years. This year may be different. I wouldn't be shocked if this is one of those years where the rally fades back, given where interest rates are at. DeBartolomeo reports that the Federal Reserve increased its benchmark interest rate on Wednesday by 0.75 percentage points to a range of 3.75 to 4%. Greatest level in 15 years. In comparison to how sensitive the markets were to the Federal Reserve's moves, to the key economic data indicators, or to any movements out of the Treasury, I think the markets will be less sensitive to any changes following the midterm elections. Joel Kruger, a market analyst at LMAX Group, said, "The date is over now." To view our most recent material, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to the channel.